I love the Corps. Ranked 7th in the nation of tonnage that goes through the lock. I just love the cargo and all the fuels, feed, corn, and everything that goes through here. I'm ready.
And just stay there for a second.
I started at Patoka Reservoir, Patoka Lake, as a summer laborer. And then the next year I came here as a summer laborer and worked here 3 years summer labor, got hired permanent in 2006 as a lock operator. Lock operator, you come in here, you lock the boats through, and when you're not locking boats, you're cleaning, you're taking out the trash, you walk the road, do the public bathrooms, you do all the cleaning stuff for the day-to-day shift stuff that has to be done. When I came to work for the Corps, I think I was 35. I was the youngest person here at the time. I felt like a kid versus the older people here. And other than that, now I'm the oldest nearly here, versus now you're bringing young guys in here. It's somehow it takes its cycles. As being an ex-Amish, work was the only thing you knew was to work hard. Physical labor was not a problem. It's just second nature, and we were raised to work. So I just enjoy that part of working and doing the job. I am the Lockmaster. A Lockmaster manages the facility, makes sure that everything runs and everything is on schedule for the engineers come in here to what has to be repaired. You're up on all that, making so everybody's time is signed, making so everything is here for what they need. Coming in here first thing of a morning, checking the river, the gauges, see how many boats they have on queue, making sure for low flow, especially when we're in low flow, that the water, that everybody is following along what we're supposed to do for the water guidance. And then you go and check your emails and answer all the emails that you get. People wanting to know about trainings coming up, and the other thing is engineers wanting to come down and doing some measuring, schedule a time for them. And then you're always out here, you have something broke, you're figuring out how to, helping them figure out how to get this bought, get the money. That's pretty much my daily thing. That's what my role is. It's to manage the facility, not just day to day, but the future. You don't want to see this river shut down. I can put it that way. That's how much this river means to the industry, for getting cargo and all that stuff hauled, the tonnage and stuff that goes through these locks. It's a very good job. If you're an operator, mechanic, or even a nav assistant, you come in here as a summer laborer, work your way up as an operator or mechanic or further, work leader, lockmaster. You can go further in the district. You don't have to just stay here. You can go to the district and work for the fleet. I guess a good way of putting it, everybody has a liking for something. The Corps is my liking. I love working for the Corps. Just the way it's structured, the way we do things, I just enjoy that. Greatest people you'll ever work for is the Corps.
Yes, sir.